Hello friends, welcome to Protopal where you can learn everything about software and its development. Now, we just have to see here, we want vertical and we are drawing here vertical bar graphs, okay, but we want a horizontal bar graph. So at that time what we have to do? We have to do just one thing here. Okay, I just show you. If you write our previous code of this draw bar graph, so then just copy that full code and paste it again here and draw bar graph. Just write here h here, draw h bar graph means horizontal bar graph. Okay, so we just again go to the here, go to here and again paste it here and h bar. Okay, right here h bar type. Okay, means horizontal bar. So and here also you have to write h bar. Okay, so that's why this function is called. Okay, now what we have to do? We just have to do one thing. Just cut this from here and paste it here and write it here label. Okay, so that's it. That's the thing we want here for now. Okay, I think that's it for that's it we need here. Okay, let just check let just check what is going to be happening. This is our normal bar graph. Okay, so if I just write here h bar, so that time nothing is going to be happening. Why there is nothing to be happening? I just have to show you one thing. Where we declared that thing, so it will convert it into a bar graph. No, we don't declare that, so declare it that, bro. Use the parameter for orientation. ORIENORE. What is the spelling of orientation? I just forgot that spelling. I don't remember the spellings. Okay, orientation is equal to horizontal. We want horizontal na. Okay, so just write there horizontal and save it and go to the Chrome and see here. I just refresh it and this is the magic. It's not the magic, but this is the magic we want. Okay, see here, but there is a one problem. Okay, we need a thing that if we convert it into the bar, so that's why that time it is a group bar. Okay, it is not the stack bar. So why it will becoming a stack bar, edge bar? When we do it in edge bar, then why it becoming a stack bar? Okay, this is the big problem for us because we don't put this bar as a stack bar. We want a normal bar graph. So what is this happening here? So this is happening because we have there are some problematic conditions. Okay, so what that conditions? Okay, we just write here something else. Okay, see here, we just given this thing. Okay, and now I just give here 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, so 1 comma 2 comma 3 will give you the perfect what we want. Okay, so if we put here 3 or 2 and something else, okay, that time it will convert it into the bar stack bar graph. We don't want this, we want only that thing. Okay, so what is the problem? What is this problem? This problem, let us just think about if we put here um for the graph. Okay, it is just put here for the bar graph. If we are seeing here, there is a one thing. So what is that one thing? That one thing is of we don't declare there is the bar mode for group. So because of that, it will directly draw the stack bar only. So if I just copy this and paste it here, okay, if I just copy it and paste it here and put it here, group. Okay, so if we put here a group, and when I refresh it, and when we refresh it, and it will be group bar. Okay, now it will become the group bar. Now we have success in our graph. Okay, but we don't want to use that thing, but now for now we need to use this, because if what if user need to draw a group bar, user don't need to draw what we user don't need to draw normal bar graph. So that time we just need it. So use this, use so your first assignment is that use like this. I use this variable for to draw the stack. So you need to just use like this variable for the bar mode. So let's just do it. Pause the video and do it. Okay, and I will consider that you have done that, but I know you don't done that. Okay, okay, that is not a good problem, that is not a big problem. Okay, is group, I just write it here, comma is group. Okay, and group is the small thing you don't know. What happening with you? What you are doing in your lab? Okay, now if we wanted to draw horizontal bar graph, okay, horizontal group bar, okay, H HG bar, horizontal group bar. You can put name whatever you want. I just put HG bar, horizontal group bar. Okay. GROUP. Okay. Now, 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 we are again to do it a false. Okay, so in future we don't underestimate our things. Okay, so that is going to be good for now, I think. So let us go to the Chrome and refresh it. Okay, it will draw the stack bar. Okay, for now. Okay, but if you want to HG bar, so that time it will convert it as we want. Okay, so now the problem is for only H bar. So at the time of H bar, it will draw this stack bar, because we are uh, putting data like this. Okay, we are putting data like this. Okay, so that's why it will directly doing the stack bar. Okay, and if we just write it here like this, it will not do anything. It will just simple draw your the graph. Okay, so that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.